Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see some more advanced concepts of pivot tables. Before that, I have already covered how to apply pivot table, then how to play with these report filters, column labels, row labels, and the values, how to bring it. We also looked at how to apply slicer and summarize data using this row label field in the previous video. So I highly recommend that you go and watch that video. So we are going to now look at some more advanced concepts within pivot table. So let's begin. So now as you can see, in case of salesperson and customer type, if I expand this, the customer type and say is below salesperson. But now what if I want to change this view and bring salesperson and customer type side by side? So the simple option is right click here, go to pivot table options, click on display and then check this box, classic pivot table layout, and select OK. Now let me go expand this entire thing, and as you can see now salesperson name and customer type is side by side. Now what if I don't want these totals to display here? In that case, what should I do? Again, you can right click here on the salesperson total and uncheck this subtotal salesperson. By this you can see these unnecessary totaling will be removed. Now the another problem someone might face is maybe they want the salesperson names to be repeated one below another. Like as you can see, salesperson name is there and then customer type twice, and the next cell is blank. What if I want to fill these? So I right click on this, I go to field settings, I go to layout and print, and I check this box repeat item labels and I select OK. So as you can see now the salesperson names are getting repeated. Now another view that you can create using this function is, let's say you want a blank line to be put between after each salesperson. So you will go to you will right click here, then you will go to field settings and layout, and you will check this box insert blank line after each item label and say OK. So now you can see there is a blank line here. I did it Control Z. Now there are some more of in layout and format. Another thing that you can do is, let's say you want to merge this salesperson name and in front of customer types corporate and retail. So you simply uncheck this box, check this box and just select OK. So as you can see the salesperson name has got merged. You can flip it like this. I'll just have a look at my cursor what I just did. Let me do Control Z. I simply clicked on customer type and dragged it above salesperson, and see the view has got now flipped. So this is also another view that you can create using pivot table. Now let me make it Control Z. I do Control Z again. Now let's say I want to sort this data. In that case, what should I do? I simply click on this drop down here. So either I can sort alphabetically, which is A to Z, which is already there, so no difference, but I can make it Z to A so that the last name as per alphabets will appear first. Then there is another sorting option. You can sort it based on the values that are appearing here. As you can see, sum of cells. So I go to descending and so let me show you once again. Maybe I right click here, I click on this drop down, I go to more sort options, and here in case of descending I select sum of cells amount, I say OK. So now you can see that salesperson with highest cells is appearing first. Similarly you can go do this sorting with customer type also. So this is how you sort the data. Then for filtering, as I have already shown, you can manually select these filters, but there is another option. You can go on this filter option here, and you can, you know, check this, keep only selected items. By that way, you can see only these two salesperson. I again do it as Control Z. I again right click here and I go to filter options. Then you can also hide the selected items, like I hide it. So as you can see, the first two names have disappeared, Priya and Neha. I click Control Z and I brought it back. Then you can apply some label filters, value filters like this. Let's say in the label filters, this is basically the same thing which you can do from here also. Like you go to label filters and maybe you can say contents and you can say P maybe. So any salesperson whose name contains P. So Priya and Pooja are now appearing. I press Control Z. So another view you can create is, let's say if you want the totals by salesperson to appear at top. Let me right click and select this subtotal by salesperson. As you can see, the subtotals are currently appearing at the bottom. What if you want to bring it at top? So you right click here, you go to field settings, you go to layout and print, you say show item labels in outline form, and this display subtotals at the top of each group. So this should be checked in like this. I select OK, and now the values are at top. So these are some of the methods using which you can create some really useful, beautiful views of pivot tables. Uh, that's all for today's video. We are going to cover some more concepts in upcoming videos on pivot table. Uh, if you have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video more and more, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.